Good morning children. Today's subject is maths. Today we will see the next part of lesson number 4, that is multiplication and division. Dear children, in last period we started the problem set 15, that is about the division. Okay. So from question 1, in last period we have completed the first 4 examples, and this 5th and 6th one I say to try to solve yourself. Okay, I think everyone have tried. Yes, this 5th and 6th one. So here I am showing the answers to you, so you can check in your CW, is it your answer is correct or not. So this is the answer for 5th one. Quotient is 53 and remainder is 25. And for 6th one, see, the quotient is 2182 and remainder is 9. Understood everyone? Everyone check in your CW, is it your answer is correct or not. If any mistakes are there, then you can do it right properly. Do the correction in that. Okay. Now let's see the question number 2. See, it is word problem. How many hours will it take to travel 336 km at a speed of 48 km per hour? Okay. So how much distance have to travel? 336 km. And what is the speed? With a speed 48 km per hour. Then what is question? How many hours will it take? So to cover this distance with that speed, how many hours will need, that we have to find. So in this case, which operation we have to do? Yes, we have to do the division. So when many things are given and we have to find the one thing, then we have to do the division. As here distance are given, speed are given, but then we have to find out the hour. So here we have to do the division. So let's see how to find the answer. So see the second one. First we have to write the given information. The distance to be traveled is 336 km. And what is the speed? Speed is 40 km per hour. So here we have to do division. So here I wrote the 48 table. Now let's see the division. So first digit is 3 and second also 3. So I am taking the 2 digit, that is 33. But 33 is very small, means as compared to 48. 33 is smaller than 48. So for the smaller number we have to divide by 0. We have to divide by 0. So 48 0, 0 only. So 33 minus 0 is 33. So now we have to take the next digit 6. So now we get the 336. Now we have to check the 48 table. Is it 336 is there in 48 table? See everyone. Yes. Yes, it is there. On which place? On 7th place. 48 7s are 336. So we have to divide by 7. So that is 336. So 336 minus 336 is what? 0. So our answer is 7. Means how many hours we need to travel that distance is 7 hours. Understood everyone? Therefore it will take 7 hours to cover that distance. Understood everyone? Second, understood this example everyone? Okay. Now let's see the next one. Now see the third one. See what it is. Girija needed 35 cartons to pack 1400 books. Okay. That boxes everyone know that called as a carton or cartons. Then so Girija needed 35 cartons to pack 1400 books. The number of books are given and number of cartons are given. Then there are an equal number of books in every carton. Okay. How many books did she pack in each carton? Okay. So she have to pack the books in a box. Then what? How many books are there? 1400 books are there. How many cartoons are there? 35 cartoons are there. Then what is the question? In each cartoon, how many books are there? That we have to find. Number of books are there. Many books are there. Many cartoons are there. But in one cartoon, how many books are there? That we have to find. Understood the question? Yes, everyone understood the question? Yes, see again one time I am going to explain it. Number of books are given, many books are there, that is 1400 books are there. Number of cartoons, how many cartoons are there, how many boxes are there? 35 cartoons are there. Then in each box we have to pack some books. Okay, in each box, some means what? In each box we have to pack equal number of books. Suppose in one carton 10 books are there, in second also we have to pack 10 only. Okay, it means in each carton we have to pack a equal number of books. Now what we have to find? Then what is the question? How many books did she pack in each carton? Okay, as we have to pack equally, then in one carton how many books we have to pack? That is the question. Understood everyone what is the question? So as here many things are given. Okay, many cartons are there, many books are there, but what we have to find? In one carton how many books are there? That we have to find. When many things are given and when we have to find the one thing, then we have to do the division. From many things, when we have to find the one thing, we have to do the division. But in multiplication what we are doing? When one thing is given and we have to find the many thing, then we are doing the multiplication. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Okay, one thing they are given and when we have to find the many thing we have to do the multiplication. But many things are given and we have to find the one thing, then we have to do the division. Don't be confused. Understood? So let's see how to find that answer. So here number of books are 1400 and number of cartons are 35. So here we have to do the division. First I am taking the first two digit 14. Okay, 14, but 14 is smaller than 35. 14 is smaller than 35. So for smaller number we have to divide by 0. So 14 minus 0 is 14. Now we have to take the next number 0. So here we get the 140. Okay, now we have to check, is it 140 is there in 35 table? Here I wrote the 35 table, like that you have also write in your CW. Then see, is it 140 is there? Yes, it is there. On which place? Fourth place. On which place 140 is there? Fourth place. So divide by 4. So 35 4s are 140. So 140 minus 140 is what? 0 only. Now we have to take the next digit 0 only. Again for 0 we have to divide by 0 only. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is 0 only. So what is the answer is 40. Means what? In one cartons how many books she packed? Yes, 40 books. Understood? Therefore 40 books were packed in each carton. Understood this answer everyone? Okay, see how to solve this question. First you have to write the given thing, then do the division and write the answer in word form. Okay, so now let's see the next example in a next part.